Ahoy, Tiki enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tiki Thursdays on Brewing with the Captain. Today, we're diving into the rich history of a cocktail with origins as vibrant as its flavors, the Halekulani. The Halekulani hails from none other than the Halekulani Hotel in Honolulu, Hawaii. This iconic hotel has been a beacon of elegance and tropical luxury since the early 1900s. The cocktail itself was born at the hotel's House Without a Key bar, a place famous for its live music, hula performances, and of course, its expertly crafted drinks. The Halekulani Cocktail is a perfect example of tropical sophistication, a harmonious blend of bourbon, citrus juices, and just a touch of grenadine for that sunset hue. It's a drink that captures the spirit of Hawaiian hospitality, warm, inviting, and unforgettable. Today, I'm going to show you how to recreate this timeless tiki classic with a little captain's flair. So grab your shaker, your best rum-loving friend, and let's set sail on a cocktail adventure. Stay tuned, because this drink will have you dreaming of Waikiki sunsets in no time. Let's get mixing.
Sun's going down, it's a tiki vibe. Grab your shaker, let's come alive. Bourbon's the base, feel the heat with pineapple juices. The drink's so sweet. Lemon and orange, a citrus kiss. Grenadine, swim, I wanna miss. Brown sugar syrup makes it smooth. Dash your bitters, let's find the crew. Shake it up, yeah, feel the beat. Halekulani's got the rhythm of the street. Pour it out, let the good times roll. Tiki magic taking over your soul. It's Tiki Thursday, the captain's here. Mixing the vibes, spreading the cheer. I'm brewing with the captain, the party's set. Halekulani's the drink you won't forget. Captain Arresto shakes it right. Pours the magic, it's out of sight. With every garnish, the mood is chill. Tiki Thursday's giving us a thrill. Soak it up, yeah, feel the beat. Halekulani's got the rhythm of the street. Pour it out, let the good times roll. Tiki magic taking over your soul. Feathers sipping, her smile is wide. A citrus dream on the tropic side. She takes a straw, leans back in her chair. Halekulani's got her floating on air. From the captain's hands to the island breeze. This cocktail's the cure for days like these. With every sip, the night feels new. Tiki Thursdays glow and shining through. Get up, yeah, feel the beat. Halekulani's got the rhythm of the street. Pour it out, let the good times roll. Tiki magic taking over your soul. Shake it, don't let go. Feel the island rhythm flow. Raise your glass, shout aloha. Halekulani in the tropic glow. Final. Shake it up, yeah, feel the beat. Halekulani's got the rhythm of the street. Pour it out, let the good times roll. Tiki magic taking over your soul. It's tea to the night, the bourbon sway. Halekulani takes you away on tropical cocktail, a life so fine. Raise your glass, it's tiki time. Feel the sip at night, the bourbon sway. Halekulani takes you away. A tropical cocktail, a life so fine. Raise your glass, it's tiki time. Sipping, her smile is wide. A citrus dream on the tropic side. She takes a straw, leans back in her chair. Halekulani's got her floating on air. From the captain's hands to the island breeze. This cocktail's a cure for days like these. With every sip, the night feels new. Tiki Thursdays glow is shining through. Ahoy! In the shaker, it's time to dance. A tropical rhythm, take the chance. Umbrella garnish, straw on the side. Let the wheel spin it. It's a tiki ride, shake it up, yeah, feel the beat. Halekulani's got the rhythm of the street. Pour it out, let the good times roll. Tiki magic taking over your soul. If you're loving this vibe, don't forget to share. Hit that like and subscribe, show you care. Brewing with the captain brings the fun each week. Tiki cocktails, laughs, and the tips you seek. A cocktail cocktail dream, a tiki tale. Bourbon and citrus, it never fails. Grenadine glow in the sunlight. Halekulani makes the evening bright.